안녕하세요. Hello everyone, this is Kim 선생님 from Teacher Kim's Korean class. This is 4th lesson of my Korean alphabet curriculum. If you missed my previous one, you can come to my playlist that is called Korean Alphabet and try to learn the Korean alphabet from the basics step by step. We are learning Korean alphabet, we called it Hangul. We studied 8 basic vowels and 4 consonants, and I'm gonna teach you 5 more consonants in this video. And in the description, you can download free writing material that I made. I'll put the link in the description for that. I hope it is helpful for your writing. Let's get started. In the previous video, I used dotted squared for explaining 4 consonants. Now I put one more horizon line in the middle. I guess it is much easier for you to understand the next 2 consonants. The first consonant is this. This consonant looks like drawing along all the dotted lines except for the line at the top, and it sounds like Got it? The mouth shape is the same as consonant M, but it is not nasal sound. It doesn't make your nose or your vocal cord vibrated until it meets vowel. If it meets vowel A, that is pa, pa, pa. If you are an English speaker, you might want to pronounce this consonant like English alphabet B. B sound is voiced. That means your vocal cord is vibrated. Korean consonant is voiceless. So just blow the air. Now I'm gonna put this consonant, the basic vowels. Pa, po, po, pu, pe, pe, pi, pu. Again, pa, po, po, pu, pe, pe, pi, pu. Does it make sense? The order of writing is draw 2 vertical lines side by side and draw a horizon line in the middle between vertical lines, and then draw another horizon line at the bottom. Okay, now it's your turn to write your own handwriting on the writing material. Good, let's move on to the next consonant. Look at this consonant. It looks quite complicated. It looks like removing upper left and lower right side from the dotted figure. And it sounds like L, L, L. Its sound is similar with English alphabet L or sometimes R, but they are slightly different with Korean alphabet L. When you pronounce L sound, your tongue tip usually tap the end of the upper teeth, and for R sound, your tongue doesn't tap anything. But Korean alphabet L is from that point. Can you see the picture? You shouldn't touch your upper teeth with your tongue. Just step slightly behind your upper teeth. L, L. Okay? I will put consonant L to the basic vowels. La, lo, lo, lu, le, le, li, lu. Again, la, lo, lo, lu, le, le, li, lu. Okay, now I'm going to explain how to write consonant L. You know, many Korean learners write consonant L in one stroke. But that is wrong. That's not good. You should write in 3 strokes. First, draw a horizon line and curve the line just like consonant K. Second, draw a horizon line in the middle, left-right, and then, from left side of the middle line, draw a vertical line and curve the line just like consonant N. So draw a consonant K and middle line and put a consonant N at the bottom. Okay? Well done. Let's move on to the next consonant. This consonant looks like English alphabet V upside down, like that. And it sounds like S, 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 S. You might think it sounds like English alphabet S. Yeah, similar. Actually, it sounds like very soft S sound, like when you pronounce smile, smiles. Okay? It's not strong or tense sound. very soft S sound. The mouth shape is like this picture. King Sejong symbolizes the shape of your teeth and tongue around your teeth. I will put consonant S to the basic vowels. 사, 서, 소, 수, 세, 시, 스. Don't say sa, so, so. It is strong sound. That is wrong. You have to try to make very soft sound. Let's try it again. 사, 서, 소, 수, 세, 시, 스. Okay, now I'm explaining how to write this consonant. Maybe if you type this consonant on the computer or mobile device, it looks like this. But if you do handwriting, we don't write it that way. The order of writing is draw a diagonal, and from slightly above the center of the line, draw another diagonal. So first diagonal is longer than second line. Okay? Now try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Good on you guys are doing very well. Let's move on to the next consonant. Look at this consonant. It looks like similar with the previous one. It has only one more horizontal line on top, right? It sounds like English alphabet J sound when you say jacket, j. This character is also from the mouth shape when you pronounce j sound. The horizontal line on top means the palate and teeth and tongue shape is like that. That is consonant j. Okay, let's pronounce this consonant j with basic vowels. 자, 저, 조, 주, 제, 지, 즈. Again. 자, 저, 조, 주, 제, 지, 즈. Good. When you write consonant j, first way is draw a horizontal line on top and draw two diagonals from the line. And second way, it is more popular and convenient way, so I recommend you to write that way. Draw a horizontal line and curve the line just like consonant k, and then from the center of curved line, draw a diagonal. It is much easier and popular way. Okay, it's your turn. Try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Let's move on to the last consonant for this lesson. It looks like a circle with cowboy hat on top. And it sounds like H when you say hello or house. Exactly the same sound. Okay, if I attach this consonant to the basic vowels, it sounds like ha, ho, ho, hu, he, he, hu. Again, ha, ho, ho, hu, he, he, hu. When you write this consonant, draw a tiny line on top. It doesn't matter if this tiny line is vertical, horizontal or diagonal, just make a tiny line. And then draw a horizontal line under the tiny line. And at the bottom, draw a circle counterclockwise. Okay, now it's your turn. Try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Well done guys. Okay, let's quickly review what we learned in this lesson. We learned 5 consonants in this lesson, how to write and how to read with basic vowels. They are 파, 퍼, 보, 부, 배, 비, 부. And next one, 라, 러, 로, 루, 레, 리, 르. Next, S sound, very soft S sound. 사, 서, 소, 수, 세, 시, 스. Next one, 자, 저, 조, 주, 제, 지, 즈. And last one, 하, 허, 호, 후, 해, he, hu. That's it. Well done guys. If this video is helpful for you, give me your like please. And if you missed to subscribe my YouTube channel, do it now. I will see you in the next video soon. 감사합니다. Bye!